Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on this channel. It's your boy Gabbyproscra. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can clear your face using Photoshop Action. In case you're not having it, I'll leave a link on the description. Go download it, it's for free. So as you can see, I've already installed my Action. So it's saying here that click and play. So all I have to do is click here and play it. Then I press stop. As you can see, it already jumped here on the brush tool that you're supposed to use. So all you have to do is start brushing. As you can see, we are able to even see how the change is going. Brush your skin well. So as you can see, we have brushed our skin, but we can still see like there are some things remaining, like the dots remaining on the skin. So what we're going to do is we're going to make another copy of the background by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard, then select the skin retouch and merge layers. So then we have before and after, but only this is not enough. So now you come here, select spot healing brush, you come and start picking these ones one by one. As you can see, we are removing the scars slowly. Now we are starting to have some clean face. Then after that, come to filter, go to camera raw filter in case you're having it, then go to detail and add the luminance, then add the amount a little bit, then okay. So then here we have before and after. So you can see that's the simplest way of clearing your skin in Photoshop so fast, in case you're in a rush. So in case you've got something new, hit the subscription button to see more coming. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Boom.